one important bit to make business competitive is to optimize the operational model. The staff and the skills, the processes and the practices, the values and the beliefs, and of course the tools, the infrastructure, and the technology. This was actually what was the objective. Something like 10 or 15 years ago, the global environment was characterized by the fact that big companies like big banks, big manufacturing companies like Boeing was actually controlling the revenue of industries, and they were actually controlling the industry. But what happened with the emergence of new technology like cloud, DevOps, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, is that small companies, embrace these new technologies and innovate, and this destabilized big companies and resulted in more revenue for businesses and dying big companies. I would put it that way. So the changes is that we shifted from a business environment controlled by big companies to a more global one controlled by small tech startups. Like what else? Like my own company, ITaaS Now, for example, like Fitbit in the healthcare, and this kind of company. Yes, because they have to adapt, and they are so big that introducing the necessary changes is very difficult for them. That's the main problem. They need to embrace new approaches like agile or new technologies. They need to train the staff, and they need to adapt actually. Because CIOs, for example, think that to make the business competitive, the only thing needed is to deliver more application, cheaper and quicker. But the fact of the matter is that in the new economy, more, cheaper and quicker is not enough. You need to innovate. You need to adapt to the new competitive environment, and that's the big changes for them. Cloud is actually made up of 3 layers, all right? Software as a service. It's the ability to get any software you want, whenever you want, wherever you are. You have a second layer, the platform as a service. It provides, ready to use development platform and infrastructure as a service. But the problem today is that 90% of companies who migrated to cloud are using only the infrastructure as a service. And it's a problem because infrastructure on itself does not deliver value. They need to use the other layers, to deliver business value. What the complete ITaaS delivery model brings is it brings an overall philosophy. The complete ITaaS delivery model tells IT practitioners that, hey, be careful. The environment is changing. You cannot focus only your job on delivering applications. You need also to focus on other areas like re-engineering processes, like improving the organizational effectiveness, and you need to take care of the staff. Make sure that they are properly skilled with the qualification demanded by the market.